So I am a startup company. Okay. I don't know. I am having a very tight budget. Okay. So if I want to buy one server, okay. Let's say this is one server. Okay. It will cost me around 4 lakhs. Okay. So I want this type of servers. Okay. 10 I require. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 8. 32 lakhs upfront. I cannot put a capital expenditure. So I don't have capital to invest in my infrastructure. So this is my capital. I don't have that capital. Okay. Then all the infra, it will cost me nearly, okay, nearly 90 lakhs it will cost to run the operations, means IT operations, all that. If I build a small setup inside a company, I need to put 90 lakhs only for server room, small server room. Okay. So that is why what I do, I will not invest in data center. I will not invest in the server room. So what I will do, okay, I will pay for your computer. You just give me 8 computers, I will pay monthly bill. So you put your rental, everything. What I will do, I will just connect it, okay. Let's say this is in the cloud, okay. This is in data center. Let me put one icon of the data center. I will put, this is a data center, okay. And this is my location. Okay. See, I cannot have space also. I cannot put all the capital expenditure, 1 crore I cannot put for the infrastructure. What I will do, okay, I will put the lease, you give me the 8 computers, I will just connect. I will just connect here and I will give you monthly bill. How much you want, okay. They will ask, okay, you pay 40,000 per server. Okay. 40. Okay. I will happily give. Okay. 3.2 lakhs. Then we discount all that, 2.5 lakhs. This is my operating expenditure, not capital. Okay. This is OPEX. And this will be my CAPEX. This will be my capital expenditure. This will be my operating expenditure. Okay. So if my business goes, see, I am a startup company. Okay. I will try it for 3-4 months. After that, if the business is successful, I will run the business. If the business is not successful, I will stop the business. See, I don't want this. That is why you will have a data center. So these guys will give you for lease for how many computers you will ask. Okay. This is one type of data center. Okay. Now, okay, there is one more customer. Okay. I have office in Electronic City. Okay. I have one more office in Whitefield. Okay. So this is office in Whitefield. Okay, I will put this color different. or else I will make this as a some dark. This is my Whitefield office, this is my Electronic City office. So now users are connecting from, so where is user here? There are some users who are connecting from Whitefield, okay. Some users are in Electronic City. So now whenever these users get connected, okay, they have a bandwidth issue. Means it is very, application is running very slow. They cannot reach the server properly. Okay. Like this. They are very hard to connect. Okay. Now you are understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is Whitefield. Let me put it diagram also. Okay. This is your Whitefield. Okay. Okay. This is your Electronic City. See, Electronic City, they just come inside and work. Okay. There is no problem with it. If I want to build a data center again, let me do it. Let's say this is a data center. Okay. So they have a data center here. Okay. Data center is nothing but all your computers. So lot of computers are called as data center. Okay. So now if I want to set up one more of data center here, it will cost me 3 crore. Okay. So what I will do, okay, this is temporary. So there is a data center in Electronic City or Hoskote. Okay. So what this branch office is doing, okay, I will put 2 servers here. Okay. I will put 2 computers. Okay. 1, 2. I will put it here. Okay. You just rent me here. Okay. So I will have a connectivity. I will have a copy here. Okay. They will connect to Whitefield. Instead of connecting, they will connect to Whitefield. Okay. I will be paying for these 2 servers. So they will be accessing it from this location. So they will not access it. When they log in, they will try to connect to these servers and they will have a good speed. And this is one use case. Okay. I will put, okay, this is use case 1 and this is on premises. We call this as on premises. Means in your premises you are running a data center or your computers. Okay. Now you have one more use case 2. Okay. I have one more use case. Okay. Let's say I am a PhonePe company. My company is a PhonePe. I have data center in Mumbai. Okay. I have lots of in data centers in Mumbai. I have 3 data centers in Mumbai. I will put all this in region. This is all in Mumbai. Let's say you have all in Mumbai. if one data center goes, the other will take over. Okay? You don't have any connectivity problem. This is how they are connected. Okay. So all they are connected with each other. So now Mumbai got flooded. Okay, they were hit with severe flood. Okay. The entire Mumbai is down now. The entire Mumbai is down. Okay. Now what they need to do now? See, Mumbai is down. Okay, your phone pay is not working now. Everything they have kept all their phone pay servers in Mumbai only. Now phone pay will not work. All the Indian UPI will stop now. So for that reason, what they will do? Okay, we will have one more data center in Bangalore. So we will take one more data center here. Okay. So if I put all these things here, whatever I have, it will cost me around 700 crores. Let me say, if I put all this in Mumbai, it will cost me 700 crores. So I am okay with that. Okay. So my users, okay, let me put it on icon here. Let's say she is connecting here, she is trying to do phone pay. Okay. Once this Mumbai will go down, okay, she will automatically connected to Bangalore. Okay, they invested here and they have one more data center here. Okay, so even if this is not working, she can simply connect to the other data center also. So now let's say it is being overloaded now. Okay, so the capacity here is, okay, now this is 80% capacity. Okay, this is only 20%. So now this data center went down. Okay. So all the users will fall here. This will also get crashed. So now what they will do? Okay, they will introduce a new service. Okay. They will have a separate data centers here. Okay. This is Amazon data center. This is in Mumbai. One is in Mumbai. Okay. The other one is in Hyderabad. Okay. There is one more data center in Delhi. Okay. So this is Delhi. This is Mumbai. And this is Hyderabad. So all are Amazon only. Okay. So now what they will configure it here. Okay. Once this data center goes down, okay, this will all get activated. So user will automatically connect here. Okay. So once this goes down, I will make this as green. center will come online, okay, and you will be using this Amazon services. That is what AWS will be doing. Okay. So if they want to host one more data center, I required only it for 2 days. Okay, because once the data center get ready in Mumbai, I no longer require this. Okay. If I want to build a new data center in Hyderabad, I will require at least 2000 crore a year. Okay. So I will not invest this much. Okay. I will use for only 2-3 days. That's it. So once this comes up, okay, I don't need this data center. I don't need this data center. I don't need this service. Okay, done. Thank you very much for your service. We are thankful to you. Like that they will tell, and they will start working with the Mumbai data center. I will make this as green. I will make it. This is what your AWS will be doing. Okay. This is for big companies. I just explained you with the data center concept. Okay. You understood or not? You just tell me now what AWS will be doing at high level, at the data center level. Yeah, you can unmute and you can tell me. Okay, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody understood? Srikanth, you also understood? This is operating model, not capital model. Cloud will be operating model. Okay.
Sir, I couldn't connect for 15 minutes, sir. I've been trying for 15 minutes. I just joined 15 minutes late, sir.
Okay. I will give you this recording session. So I am recording this. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you will get from beginning. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these guys understood it. Okay. Now let's say I will give one more example. Okay. So there is a political party tomorrow. Okay. So I am a samosa maker. Okay. Every day I will make only 100. Okay. My capacity is 100. Okay. Tomorrow by afternoon I got a order like 2 lakh samosa. Okay. So I got an order like 2 lakh samosa I need to deliver. So is it possible for me to deliver that? See, I will make only 100 per day. Okay, that is my capacity.
Yes, sir.
It's not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I will do, I will take the services. Okay. Let's say Amazon will be giving me services. Okay. So whatever I want, they will give me within minutes. Okay. Let's say you will ask, okay, I want chopped onions, like half truck, or else 10 bags or 20 bags, whatever the capacity. Okay, they will deliver me within 2-3 minutes, just like Zepto. Okay, so all the raw material, whatever I require, these guys will have ready made and they will give me immediately. Okay, and I will get manpower also. So Amazon will be giving me all the required services. I will make that work and I will deliver. Okay. If they are not giving me, I cannot deliver. That is what Amazon will be giving the services also. So whatever you ask, okay, this is just an example. They will not give you onions. In fact, if you truly ask them, I am just giving a hypothetical example. Okay. Like that, they will give you server. Let's say you want a server. Okay. So you have you want to run one server here. Okay. So for, let's say you are working on a movie. Okay. Avatar 4 or 5. So the director wants to do the VFX effects. Okay. If he runs it on one server, okay, it will take at least 1 year. Okay. It will take 1 year to give the output. If you take on one server. So if you go by 2000 servers, if we run it on 2000 servers, it will give him in 1 hour. Okay. So within 1 hour he will get that output. Okay. 2000 servers in 1 hour. Okay. And it will cost him 10 crore. Okay. If you do it in one server, it will take 1 year. Okay. He is not bothered. Okay. I want the output. Okay. I want the VFX effect to be done immediately. I will go outside and I will come. You just give me the output. After lunch, I will see the output, how it is coming, the VFX effects. 2000 he is taking it lease for only 1 hour. Okay. So earlier we don't have such type of service. So you want it, you just buy it. We will not give you for lease, or we will not give it for 1 hour. Okay, you take it for 5 years. If you ask HP, I want to lease one server, they will take, okay, you take this, we will build it for 5 years. Okay, or else you buy it for 1 year. You take the lease for 1 year, minimum 1 year. We will not give you for 1 hour. Okay, so this is what Amazon will be doing it. This type of services, whatever you want, they will provide you. You just pay it whatever you use. Pay as you go. Okay. You will be paying only whatever you are using. That is how your data center model will work in Amazon. Okay. Now I will pass the recording. Okay. Now I have started recording. Okay. So these are all the services that you will have in AWS. Okay. Let me tell you one by one. Okay. All services. Okay. So you have something called compute. Okay. There is one compute service. Okay. This is all with respect to your data center. Whatever I just explained you the data center, right? This is all the services that you will be running here as a compute. Compute means your data center. Okay. Now you are a developer. You are a software engineer and you are a DevOps agent. So you will be using these tools here. So whatever you have these tools, so these tools will be your core tools here. Okay. Now you have AI and ML. So you see it here, AI. Let's say if somebody wants to run their AI model or they want to implement some ML, machine learning. Okay. So they will be using all these services. So they AI and ML data center is very costly. It will be costly. Normal data center than AI data center. It will be 10 times costlier. It will take lot of water. It will heat up. Okay. So they want to run any data AI or machine learning service. They will use this. Okay. Now I want to save my storage. Okay, I am a hospital record management. I need to maintain the data for 50 years. Whatever customer lab reports, all that, I need to maintain it for 50 years. I need it for research also. How you will maintain 50 years data? What if your data center got burned? Then what you will do? You will be using this storage service. Okay. So where you will get the data copied here and it will be stored into multiple locations and it will be copied very cheaper also. This is one service. So I want to run a database here. Okay. So I will be using this database. I don't want any licensing headache. I will just use this. Okay. So now I want migration and transfer. Okay. Let me go back here. So I have a company here. Okay. Let me take it one here. So I have a company. Okay. Let me see. Let me take it. Okay, like this. Copy. Okay. So I have a company here. Okay. In Mumbai, I have company. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a data center. Okay. The company has split now. Okay. Company divided. Okay. So they want to move or migrate. Okay. Let's say these are the cars branch. This is the truck branch. Okay. They don't want to mingle each other. Okay. They want to get separated. Okay. I will put this. Okay. Red color. Okay. Red color. Now they want to. They don't want to have data center. Okay. They want to use Amazon. Okay. So we don't require this. Okay. So we will retain everything. We will throw all the servers. I need Amazon service. So you copy all the data, and I will run it. Okay. I will run the service here. Once I migrate to Amazon, okay, I will delete this. I don't want these physical servers. So that is called Amazon migration and transfer. So you will be transferring everything to Amazon. You don't need a data center now. Everything it will be running on Amazon. Okay. Now you want to see management and governance. Okay. So whatever you are running inside the cloud, all these applications, whatever you are doing, running here, you want to see. This is your management and governance. Okay. So now you have business application. See, I don't want all these headache. Okay. See, I don't want all this headache. Okay. Customer will tell. Okay. What I do? See, I will directly build the software. Let me tell you. Okay. I will just build the software. Okay. You manage everything. You give me. I will start working directly. Network, server, I will not do. I will directly run the software application. You just give me the access. So they will start developing the application directly. It is like, okay, I will not take the kitchen. So data center is like kitchen. Okay, so you will get all these material, oil, raw material, goods, all that you will get. Okay, what business application is? It is like a fast food. Okay, you give me, once you give me, I will just eat and I will throw, that's it. I am least bothered with your kitchen. You just give me plate meals, okay, I will eat it and I will throw. Once I am done, I will throw. This is what business application is. Now you have end user computing. Okay, so I will give you the desktop also. So the user is coming now. Okay, I will go to here user. Okay. I have one more service. Okay. I am a bank now. Okay. Let's say this is cloud. This is your cloud now. Okay. This is your Amazon service. Now let's say people are working from this location, from Mumbai. Okay. Let me take out this. Okay. People are working from Mumbai. So this is their laptop, or this is their company laptop. Okay. Let's say this is a bank customer. So bank, if they go with this, don't give them access. Okay. If they come like this, okay, this is banking service. Let's say this is the banking service. Okay. If they come like this, okay, don't give them access. I will make this red. So what I will do, I will take Amazon service, one desktop here. Okay. So this is the Amazon desktop, end user computing. Okay. I will come back here. Okay. Where is this? Okay. So this is the Amazon thin client. Okay, workspace. Okay. So this is very secure. Okay. Only if they come here. Okay, this is my bank application, like transaction, all that. Okay, so if they come connect from here, you allow them. Okay, so what they need to do, if in order to connect to their bank, okay, so they have to access workspace here of the Amazon, then they need to connect. If they access directly the bank application, it will not work. Okay. This they have removed. Because all the services they have purchased with the desktop here. It is completely secured, they will be managing the desktop here. So if you are connecting from your laptop, we will not give you access. So you connect to our services, this laptop, then we will give you the bank application access. Until then we will not give you access. This is one type of service Amazon is giving. Okay. So then you have IoT, okay, Internet of Things, then you have game development, then you have media services. So these are all services based on the customer requirement, they will be providing you all these services. Okay. So let's say somebody wants to develop a quantum computer. They want to develop a quantum application. So this is the Amazon bracket. Somebody wants to develop the blockchain. They want to do a Bitcoin transaction, Bitcoin application, all that. They will use the Amazon managed blockchain. So it depends on your user or business perspective. Based on that, you will be taking that particular service. Okay. So we will be covering only the services which are required for DevOps. So if I keep on going through that, it will take at least 10 years to cover everything. Okay. It will take at least to cover 9 months to 1 year for the entire compute services. Just for compute, if I want to cover, it will take 1 year at least. Okay. So that is why we will be focusing on whatever our job is. So our job, let's say you are an ambulance guy. Your role is ambulance guy. So what ambulance guy will do? His job is to just take the patient immediately to the hospital. That is what your concern is. You will break the rules, everything, whatever you want. Your priority is to go very fast and within less time. That is the business use case of a ambulance guy. Okay. And if somebody is working as a garbage collector, okay, he wants to collect the garbage, he will not go speed. Okay, if he is going speed like an ambulance guy, he will get fired. Okay, so he should wait until unless the garbage is collected. The main important business for him is to collect the garbage. If he is not collecting the garbage, then there is no point in doing that work. That is how the business is. So here in DevOps also, we will be focusing on a specific tools only. Okay? So like that, you will have lot of services. So customer will be using one services based on their requirement. Okay. So I will pass the recording now. Okay.